Hello, welcome. My name is Ifine. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to make someone an admin on your Facebook page. You know, for a Facebook to be monetized in a country that is not eligible for monetization, there must be some settings on your Facebook page to enable your eligibility. And that is what I'm going to show you so that you can do same and monetize your page. So without further ado, let's go. Now what we need to do, we need to go to our Facebook app. Here I have to locate my Facebook app on my folder. Then you click on the Facebook app. When it opens, you come down to this menu here. Click on your menu. Now it's going on, loading. Okay, so I'm having some issue with network. Let me see what is wrong with this network. Okay. Okay, it's open. Then you have to come up here and click on this. You can see the pages has come out. I have a lot of page here. So for the purpose of this video, I think we should use Simple Leaf Construction Structural Design. Yeah, I will use this page. That is the page I will be making someone an admin now. So what do we do next? You come to this your menu again and you tap on it. Go to professional dashboard. I'll come to this professional dashboard. Click on it. Go to page access. Go to page access. I'll click on page access. You see here, I've already added somebody as an admin here, but this person has not accepted the invitation. So what we'll do here, I want to add another person as an admin here, because literally this is what you will see here. Then you go here and add people with Facebook access. The person you want your Facebook to access your Facebook. I'm not clicking on with us because I want this particular person to be a full admin. The person will have access to every part of my account, everything in this page. Okay. Here you see, I'm here now. I click next. Then what I will do now, let me type in the name of the person and search. I want to use Jane. Yeah, let me add this particular person as mine. You can see, yeah, it's telling me what I need this person to do. I'm giving this person access to every listen. Allow this person to access full control. That is what I will do. I want this person to have full control also. So whatever I will do on this page, this person can equally do it. I say give access. Then it will ask me to input my Facebook password here. Does Facebook want to be sure that I'm the person doing this? Okay, I'll go on and put my Facebook. Yo, you can see I've made this person my admin. You can see here it says content, message and calls, community activity, add inside permission page, deletion. So this particular person can do literally everything that I can do in this page also. So you can see invitation expires in 31 days. So in 31 days, if this person did not accept this invitation and accept my offer to make her my admin, then Facebook will now decline. Then if I want to do again, I have to go afresh. So this is only and the simplest way to make someone admin on your page. So you can see here, this particular person here stays in Germany. So because Nigeria is not eligible country and Germany is eligible for monetization, then I have to choose this person to make him my admin so that he manages the account. Anything that I can do, he can equally do in this particular page. Then when my qualification is due, when I'm qualified for monetization, he will now apply for monetization from Germany. So guys, this is the simplest way to monetize, to make someone an admin in your page. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to share and like this video. If you have find any of this insightful, do share and like. We need more followers to grow this page. Thank you. Peace out.